to pre-market news infused by In The Money Stocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is March 23rd, 2015. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures here, and what you're going to see is that the futures are trading lower by $1.25, right to around the 2098 level. So again, market has lost that 2100 psychological number, but we're just slightly below that level. So we'll see how this market plays out. Last week was a big trading week for the market. Even though we had some volatility, markets were very strong, and we'll see where they go today. But all in all, there are some trading opportunities out here. And the first equity we're going to take a look at is going to be Biogen IDEC. We're going to go to the ticker symbol, which is BIIB, and you're going to see here, stock today is trading at $468.72. It closed at I believe it closed at $475.98 on Friday. So the company received a downgrade today. We'll see where this goes, but this stock will be in play today. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial in the intraday stock chat. I believe we played this on Friday, and we'll look to play this one again this morning. This is going to be in play today. There are a lot of intraday support levels that will come in. So again, keep this on the radar. Now, sticking with the theory, or I should say, sticking with the theme of biotech, we're going to take a look at Vertex Pharmaceuticals. VRTX is the ticker symbol here. This stock is coming under pressure today. I'm not sure of the news. I did look at it earlier. I can't remember what it was, but the stock closed at $131. It's now trading at $122.96. So again, be a little bit careful with this one. I will have some gap levels for this in the intraday stock chat. I'll post them up right around 9 o'clock in the morning. But one level right off the bat that I'm seeing that looks very good, if it does get there for an intraday bounce, would be around the 116 level. So if it gets to around 116, I think traders could look for a quick little bounce there in Vertex. Today it is trading at it is trading off the lows already. It did get down to around 118 in the pre-market. Now sitting at around 123. But this one can go lower today, so you want to be a little bit careful. I believe they had some type of a drug that did not meet its endpoint or had some bad news. So either way, check out the news for yourself. We really only care about the charts. Can we make money? But I will have a gap level for Vertex a little bit later today. Let's take a look at another biotech, IMGN. And what you're going to see here is that this stock is trading sharply higher. Stock closed at $7.44. I believe they're going to distribute an anti-cancer drug to a Japanese pharmaceutical firm they're going to partner up with. So again, this stock is catching a pretty big bid. There's a lot of resistance around the 959 level, but believe it or not, this stock has upside potential today to $11.27. So if you own it, it's hard to jump on here. I wouldn't recommend that. But what I would say is that you trail your stop loss and you see if it could take you up a little bit more, because this does have potential upside to around $11.27. All right, let's take a look at some other stocks in the news. We're going to take a look at THC. This stock is trading decently higher today. I did see the news on this earlier. I'm not 100% sure what it was. I think they did something with they're going to buy somebody or something of that nature. But either way, stock is trading sharply higher. Right now, stock's trading at 51.50, closed at 49.62. Now, just understand this stock has a ton of resistance around 52.25. Right in this 52 level, 52. I'm going to say 52.10. Right in this area, there's a lot of resistance. So I think traders, for the most part, want to be a little bit careful with this one. All in all, it has probably made the bulk of its move here. So I'm not saying it can't go higher, but I would trail the stop loss immediately here. I really wouldn't look for all that much upside in this equity after whatever news they're receiving. It just shows me that the stock is really stalling here, and I don't see it getting much above there when I look at the bigger time frames. Let's take a look at another biotech right now, which is Gilead. I believe they were downgraded today, but the stock has already rebounded. So the stock did trade below the 93 level and now is back up to $100. Stock closed at 102.29 yesterday. If by some chance you do get a sell-off, I have a couple of levels for you. That could be scalp plays. 97.50, there's a pretty decent level there. And then after that, it's really 88. 85, 88, 90, which is a lot lower. So keep the 97.50 level on the radar. Again, I'm not 100% sure of the news for Gilead, but you could go check it out yourself. But stock is coming under a little bit of pressure. But surprisingly, it really has rebounded quite a bit. I think they had a drug that did not, that got a FDA warning or something like that. But check it out for yourself. Either way, if it gets down to around 97.50, I would consider a long side scalp. All right, let's take a look at a stock that's not a biotech here, and we're going to look at Kansas City Southern. This is a rail stock. KSU is the ticker symbol. Stock's trading at $110, closed at $115.69. I am showing support at $107.90. That's it, to put it bluntly. Gets to $107.90, I think there's a good scalp level. If it doesn't, I wouldn't do anything with this one at this point in time. Let's take a look at LULUlemon. This is a major yoga apparel retailer. Stock is trading at $64.20, closed at $65.74. Support level I have for this one is going to be down at around $60.78. So keep your eye out for that one. If it gets down to around $60.75, I think there could be a play there on a long side scalp. All right, let's take a look at a few other things out here. Crude oil trading lower by 63 cents this morning to $45.93 a barrel. Let's go over to the USO, and what you're going to see here is that the USO is trading this morning right at $16.29. The USO is a good way to trade light sweet crude, but either way, it's a very difficult trade right now. Right now we do have the US dollar index down about, I believe, 50 cents or so. When the dollar's down, normally oil will get a bid, but that is not happening at this point in time. So you want to be a little bit on the guarded side, a little bit careful with oil. It is still very, very choppy and somewhat weak ultimately. So be a little bit aware of that. If we take a look at gold futures, they're trading down $2.60, $2.50 to around $1,182 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, what you'll see here is that the GLD this morning is trading at around 113.50. That's basically where it closed. Closed at 113.57. But all in all, gold has held up very, very well last week. I think there's more potential upside in gold in the near term, but it's not going to be a straight up move, so be prepared for some choppiness out here. Once again, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. You'll get everything that we're doing. You'll see all of our trades. You'll see all of the action that we get each and every day. And today, we should have a gap play on VRTX, which is Vertex Pharmaceuticals. With that being said, everybody, futures are trading lower by 1.5 points. We'll see where we go, and we'll see you all on the charts. Have a great day, everyone.